而永存。今天你们所得的道即同他们其实所得的道一样。在古时，人要得到必须弃他在世界上所拥有之一切与享受。假如他是一位皇帝，也必须弃他的江山；假如他是一位大，他必须舍弃他的爵，离开家人，入深山寻访能够指点他途径，传授大道给他的名师。在他经历了千辛万苦之后，同时已将凡心修炼成佛心，并已达至圆满之行为，以及做了许多善事，在他至诚之下，终于感动上天之心，派仙佛来指点，传授大道给他。在如此之情况下，成功者非常稀少。在那时，道是由一代祖师逆传给下一代祖师。
Today we need not go to the remote mountains in order to cultivate ourselves. We may find the means to do so in our own environment. Therefore we must take full advantage of our fortunate circumstances because we are in close proximity to the Tao. Why is the Tao so accessible to us at this time? It is because mankind is facing great calamities which signal the destruction of the human race. God is the cause of these calamities. In this modern age, most people blindly worship technical science and neglect spiritual harmony. They believe that the power of mankind can surpass nature and that science is almighty and can solve all human problems. It would seem as though conscience or soul are only religious terms and had no real existence. Most people do not recognize their true selves, which are indestructible and immortal. Actually, the true self is the master of the mortality. Today most people have lost their consciences, harming others in order to benefit themselves. Those evils which human beings are now committing will cause great disasters, the likes of which had never been witnessed before. This will be the final calamity in which the human race, the immortals of space, and the ghosts in whom will all be destroyed.
然而现在我们不需要到深山去，而我们一默修行。何以我们能如此容易就得到这事？因为时代不同了。现在人类面对劫难之来临，末劫就要来到，末劫将会毁灭全人类。劫难是怎样造成的？原因是在此新世纪，多数的人们共盲目崇拜科学，而不注重心灵的完善。他们相信人类的力量能超出大自然，科学是高于一切，科学是万能，科学能解一切人类之问题。而良心、灵性仅是宗教之名词，它永不能实现。人们不认识真理，真理是我们之良心，道心真我本体，它不灭，万物长存，它是主持我一生之主人翁。如今世上的众生，大多数失去了真正的良心，他们造一切之罪恶，因此 造成了空前绝后之浩劫，我们称它为末劫。在此浩劫中，不仅全世界的众生，同时起天的大千、地府的鬼魂都要受劫灭。
However, God, of whose essence we are created, is merciful and compassionate and does not desire that the good people be destroyed along with the evil ones. So God has provided that the Tao be disseminated among mankind and has sent the great teachers, Buddha Shikung and Bodhisattva Yui, to rescue the three kinds of beings, the immortals of space, human beings, and the ghosts of hell, so that they may return to heaven together. Buddha Shikung and Bodhisattva Yui are under the command of God and are responsible for transmitting the Tao to the three kinds of beings. Their duty is to manage the work called the last salvation. This salvation is formless and soundless, and the transmission is performed without preaching. It directly points out the original nature, conscience or soul of mankind in order that people may realize their true nature and thereby become enlightened.
然而，是我们灵性的至高无上之母亲上帝，是非常的慈悲，一不忍善恶俱焚。因此降下真道，并派名师济公活佛与月慧菩萨降世，挽救三曹弃天之大仙。世界的众生，地府的鬼魂同返天堂。我们师尊师母二位老大人奉老母的命令，真传真守，普渡三曹他们的任办理后都远大事文教别指人心之指人人不有之良心，灵性使人们见自信而成佛。
When the last calamity arrives, nothing can save man.